in African traditional medicine in Nigeria. After all, they started the umbrella body for the traditional medicine practice in Nigeria, and I was the pioneer secretary general of that body. So that's a support from government, meaning that they have finally been able to identify with traditional medicine in Nigeria. I also know that in the Federal Ministry of Health, there's a department of traditional medicine that they have up to head of department level. And so they are actually trying their best. But the thing that I know that is kind of crippling them, that is limiting them, is the passing of a traditional medicine bill that is still in the House of Assembly. We have been appealing to the government and to the Assembly people to help us pass the bill. We have lobbied. I think they have done the first reading, as at now. We are still lobbying, and I don't think something like that should wait until we lobby.
You have to find
All I will just say now is I'm seizing this opportunity to appeal to the House of Assembly people that somebody, the God of nature, should place it in the heart of somebody listening to me under the sound of my voice, that the person, somebody, should go into House of Assembly and go and bring out the bill and start talking about it, and that Holy Spirit should arrest all of them. That they must know no rest until they pass the national medicine bill. That the God of nature should capture them. And because we don't know how else we are going to talk about it. Even the national health care cannot really fully move forward until the passing of traditional medicine, until they carry along the alternative medicine industry, so that we can be at par, with the Western world. I don't know how you are going to say it. I still rely on you that you should help us to appeal to the National House of Assembly that they should pass traditional medicine bill, so that we can regulate fully, to be able to answer your question, so that there can be full regulation, so that there can be full integration of traditional medicine into the existing healthcare, so that there can be complete collaboration. You understand? Because all the mechanism for these things are ready, even by WHO. Mechanism to collaborate is ready. We have done integration. We have done everything, even research and development. What kind of herbs? We have done West African pharmacopoeia on traditional medicine. So at that level, they are working. Some countries have started. It's only Nigeria now and some other countries that have not really passed the bill. So I am appealing, help us to pass a traditional medicine bill, so that my people can know that African traditional medicine is the medicine for the people of Africa. First thing, because you cannot compare the efficacy of Agbo to Western medicine. Western medicine work, I'm not saying they don't, but when you are talking of medicine of the people for the people, it is the African traditional medicine. Before they carry those people to Western clinics, they have consulted us, they have patronized us. You understand? Even after they come out of hospital, they are back in the harbour home. So why are we not encouraging it? Why can they not regulate it? And the regulators are ready, the practitioners are ready, the products are ready. You understand? The only thing that we are waiting for right now is the passing of traditional medicine bill, and it is there in the House of Assembly. The other time they said they are talking about they were talking about the bill of healthcare industry. I was there. Yes, they mentioned traditional medicine, but they could not say many things further because there's no legal backing. You understand? So the only thing that will give it legal backing is this traditional medicine bill. And we are praying, and we are still praying. And we have committed all our leaders into the hands of God and to the God of nature himself, that they will help us to pass the bill, and that they will pass the bill before the end of the year, we are expecting results from them. Because we are just practitioners, we don't know anybody who to go and lobby. We have done our best in lobbying. We have produced the bill. Everything is ready. Mechanisms are ready. It's only the bill we are waiting for. So our brother in the House of Assembly, maybe God will lay it in your heart that when you get back to Abuja, you go and pick out the bill, fish it out, and let it be laid on somebody to sponsor it so that they can read it and pass the bill. Let me let you know that Nigeria is relying on oil. They're just playing. You can do make a lot of dollars and everything from traditional medicine in Nigeria. What if our oil well dries up? What are we going to rely on? There's nothing else. The next thing is all these plants and trees that God has given us in Nigeria. But we are not developing it. What if anything can happen? That all the well, all this oil well we are all relying on, if it dries up, anything happens and we can't even get it. What if God stops the supply of oil? I know that God cannot stop, He can't stop growing trees. Medicinal plants cannot stop growing in the, it can never happen because we are not in desert. So it's these things, if Nigeria can just open their eyes, that is the African traditional medicine, that they can actually fall back on or rely on to make Nigeria greater, even in the world. So please pass the bill.